Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging.company that is. Talking about these crazy cryptos. Talking about this new Apex that's not quite so new anymore. It's been on demo mode for quite a while. We've been enjoying it, liking it. I like trading it. It's very easy to trade. It's great for scalping. So it's easy to get in and get out of the markets and make some money. It does have a stop loss that you can set from 1% to I think 10%. So it's pretty good. So we're here to make money with it. We want to become professionals. We want to make a profit on this site. And I think as soon as they open this up and make it live, we will be able to do that. It'll be like a dream come true. We've all been sitting here waiting for a long time, and now it's going to be coming. David Peterson said he's going to make some money. We're all going to make some money. And I've always held him to it. So far, he's never given up on us or the platform. Never been easy, but nothing's like this ever been done before. So we're here for the ride. So I'm excited. I got everything waiting for my account. We jump over to Apex, Crypto Beta. Right away, we see over here a lot of red. A lot of red candles still forcing down. Hasn't had a reason to go up yet. Hopefully soon. It's getting pretty low. We can go ahead and hide this. There we go. 4-hour chart. Check it out. Okay, we got a big down move. We are hitting support right here. And that support has been support back in here too. So pretty strong. One hour says we came down, we bounced, we're coming down again. Well, it's almost like a double bottom. It could want to go up. I think we need more candles. Let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes as we bounced, we came up, we went up, down. I'm thinking up. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart says you put a line across here and a line across here. We're in a triangle, or we're in a bigger triangle from here to here. Oh, this is a tough one. Now here it looks like we broke the trend line. We're going down. We're getting another red candle. So it looks like we're looking for a sell. Now one thing I've learned that might help all of us is the first trade coming out of the gate, I'm usually wrong. I don't know. You see what you see and then you're wrong. Like I'm thinking down. I don't know. It seems like the first trade I'm always wrong. So I'm not going to do the normal 100. I'm going to only do half. So from now on, that's going to be my routine coming out first trade of the day. Because I'm usually wrong that trade. But why not, if I'm usually wrong that trade, why not make it smaller so I have less of a loss to come back from? Because these markets are tricky, and it's not that easy to always figure out. Once you're trading them a little bit, you got an idea of where you're going and what's going on. But it seems like the first trade, I'd say 70% of the time I lose that one. So now my rule is I changed my rules. So my first rule, my first trade is only half the size. Yes, it's half the size of the win, but it's half the size of the lose. From there, I get an idea of what the market's doing. I get a feel for it. Even if I'm wrong again, at least I had a feel for it. Coming in cold, it's hard to figure out which way, and I just noticed that many times my first trade out, I lost it. Whether I caught it right at the turning lines. Right now we're hitting a lot of resistance, support right in here. You got support here, you got resistance up in here where it's hitting it. But then we're trying to go back up, it's going to be support. So you got resistance going down, support going up. This thing could be pushed any way right now. But definitely my new rule is going to save me a lot of money. Because if my first trade I lose most of the time, and I come out with only half the size, even if it's a win, it's still profit. But if it's a lose, it's a less profit to have to come back and get. That's all I know. Doesn't mean that if it's going in your way, you can't add on to it. You can always add on. Matter of fact, if I wasn't trading for a video, I would be adding on. I'd let it run until I got to so much profit, and if it looked like it's going to keep going, I'd put another one. Look for a little pullback. Look for something to tell me to get in again. Heck, I would throw in 3 trades. Maybe I'm trading all day in one direction. Maybe I started up here in the break of this, and I started trading it. So every pullback, it started going down again, and throw another trade in. Throw another trade in till the end of the day. See what happens. That's a good strategy to have. They need to have something like that. And also about getting one out. If you get in so much, down in here, you got one that's got all this profit, maybe you need to take that one off the board and let the other ones run. So it's something to think about. That's all in your money management. The problem is money management is very personal because we're all different. So you need to decide how you like to do it for you. We definitely need to think about adding on trades, taking off trades, break even, trailing. And here we can't trail, but I Trade Pro you can. So, I mean, there's a lot of different aspects to trading. It's all things you need to think about. But definitely, my first trade coming out of the gate is always going to be half the size. I just can't take that chance anymore. That seems like 70%. I was losing it. First one, boom, lost. Okay. I see I was wrong. I picked the wrong side. All because it looks like a certain way. All of a sudden, it decides it wants to go up. Now we got a channel going to the upside. Didn't see it. Wasn't there. But now I see it. So now my next trade will be right on. I can plot it better. And some people on their money management, if they lose, they go a smaller position. And if they win, they do a larger position because they think they might win again. So that's another way they do it. Everybody has their own strategy. I like to keep it simple. I like the 3-bullet strategy. I take whatever it is I want to trade for the day, divide it by 3, and put the first one in, let it go so I get the profit, and I put the next one in. Let it go until I get the profit, put the next one in. This way the ones behind it are already covering the loss of the other one. That's how I like to trade. Right now, it should be going against us pretty soon. As we're getting an up candle, I'm thinking I got in up in here. I wish you would leave us a marker where we got in. It sure be easier. Like MT4, you put in a trade, it leaves a marker on the chart so you know right where that's at. But you never know. These all might be changing. Might be a lot of stuff coming out. Might be able to put trend lines on, markers, symbols, alerts. I mean, like anything else, as we use it, everything gets more sophisticated. And I'm sure they'll be coming out with a lot of stuff for the trading, for the platform. Maybe they already have. I don't even know. I'm just excited just to trade it. I think my next video I'm going to try to start going down in size so I can use the 2% or the 1% liquidation. So it's only the 2%. Okay. can go all the way down to 0.1 to 2. Okay, that makes sense. I haven't really used it yet because I like trading the 50 to 1, but I don't know. It's kind of better to have a stop just in case, because I had one instance where the thing just took off on me and I tried to close it and it wouldn't close. It closed me way up high. So it evaporated me. I got the whole 2%. I don't know if I want to lose 2% every time. So we'll start experimenting with that, see where we like to get out at. So we can fine comb it. Or is the phrase fine tune it? I'm not sure. Don't ask me, it just came in my head. I'm a little crazy this morning. I'm still waiting for the Japanese yen to turn around, but it's still fighting me. Had that big drop, and then we had the big up move. So I made money on both those. So right now it's right in the middle. So I got a buy in. I'm waiting for it to go up. See if the British pound can get stronger than the Japanese yen. That's something we do need, though. I'm looking for, if anybody knows about anything like that, I'm looking for a strength meter. You know, something to tell me the different strengths of the different pairs that we're trading. So like in the currency market, we use a strength meter like this. There's quite a few of them, but there's all kinds. But I'm looking for something like that. If anybody knows of anything that'll work for cryptos, I don't know of anything like that. I know since they're tethered to the US dollar, I can use that, but that's about all I know. So if somebody knows of something, send me a message so I know. That'd sure be nice. Because it's nice just to have that on your so at least you're going in the right direction as far as the strengths are. Right now all we got is a chart on the side and that's it. Maybe there's no such thing, but I'm looking. Alright, this video's gone on too long. We're going to take whatever little profit there is. We'll close that out. Call it done. Alright, you guys, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Stay Armstrong. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the